What's up you guys, welcome to another Java tutorial, and in this tutorial we're going to learn how to loop through each key in a specific map and access its values. And before I even start this tutorial, I just want to congratulate everybody with Ramadan, because Ramadan just started, and Ramadan is a holy month for Muslims, so congratulate you and happy Ramadan. I hope you don't get too thirsty during the day. So actually this list is inspired by Ramadan because these are the most common foods that people eat during Ramadan. I mean at night, not during the day. People eat a lot of dates and they eat a lot of tabbouleh, and if you guys don't know what these are, just go ahead and Google them because they're pretty freaking delicious and you should try them. And they also eat a lot of shurba. I know I just said it in Arabic because I don't know how to say it in English. I mean, it's just written right here, but it's cool to say it in Arabic. And also, vim to drink is really famous, and also, of course, let's not forget sambusa. So the meat of this tutorial, guys, is to learn how to loop through each key in a specific map and access its value and do something cool with it. So let's go ahead and create a program that loops through each key and check if the value of that key is greater than 10 or less than 10. We're going to use this program to check if the item, like for example, dates or tabbouleh, are high on price or not. So anything that is greater than 10 is going to be high on price, and anything that is less than 10 is going to be low in price. The first thing you got to do to loop through each key is go ahead and type in 4, because I mean we're looping through it, and go ahead and type in string. And the reason why we have string here is because we know that this specific map has keys of type string. And let's go ahead and type in key. And guys, this line of code is like freaking important. And go ahead and type in the name of the map and dot key set. And what this will allow you to do is basically, I mean, let me just say it simply. What this line of code right here basically mean is going to return a set of keys that exist in this map. So what the key set allows you to do is basically it's going to return a set of keys that exist in this map. So let's go ahead and just first print it out so we don't get confused. And let's go ahead and type in, these are all the foods in my map. And let's go ahead and put a plus sign, key. And let's go ahead and run this and see what we have. And as you guys can see, it printed out sambusa, hab soup, I mean shorba hab, this is how we say it, dates, vim to drink, and tabbouleh. So we have it all down. So this means that this line of code right here will allow us to loop through each key that exists in this map. Simple enough. So let's just go ahead and delete this line of code because I want to do something pretty cool. Let's go ahead and type in if food price dot get key is greater than 10, then let's go ahead and say system out println. Guys, I'm going to explain everything for you. Just go ahead and type along with me first. This food is high on price. And let's go ahead and give it the key. And let's go ahead and type in else and just copy this line of code and just put it right here because there is no reason to, type it all again. And go ahead and type in, instead of high, is low. So guys, what this line of code will allow you to do is this. It's going to go to this map and it's going to get the value for a specific key. For example, if we go ahead and pass in dates right here, this whole thing will be evaluated as 3. If we go ahead and put in tabula right here, this whole thing will be evaluated as 5. So what this line of code right here means is as soon as you put a specific key and use the method get, it will allow you to basically get the value of a specific key. Simple enough. So what we're basically saying, if this value is greater than 10, then this food is high on price. If this value of a specific key is less than 10, then it's low on price. So let's go ahead and run this. And as you guys can see, it says, okay, sambusa is really high on price because as you guys can see, it's 22, so it's pretty stinking expensive. And hab soup or shorba hab, I mean, this is how we say it. I mean, I said this like 1,000 times, but it doesn't matter. It's low on price because it only cost $8. Dates are also low on price because they cost only $3. And the Vimto drink is high on price because it costs more than $10, and so on and so forth. So in this video, guys, you've learned how to loop through a map, specifically a hash map, and you've learned how to loop through it key by key and access its values and also do something pretty cool with it. So thank you guys for watching. Oh, I just deleted this line of code accidentally. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.